Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Pinterest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your social accounts or your credentials. After you have logged in, you will be taken into the homepage. Now if you wish to change your password, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now from the settings page, click on Account Management at the left side and now you will see your password. You can click on the Change button at the right side and you will be asked to enter your old password first. Just type in your old password and then click on the New Password box and type in your desired new password. You can then type it in once again for confirmation within the box underneath. And once you have entered your desired password, you can click on the Change Password button and this will change your password right away. And now you will be able to use your newly set password along with your original email address in order to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.